Hey guys, Notion productivity hacks for entrepreneurs. Build second brain structure. Create dashboards, task, projects, content calendar, CRM, knowledge base. Link everything through relational databases. Use buttons and automations. Right? Create task buttons like add new client, add new project, weekly review. Set automation. Task due, move to quote unquote today. Project mark complete, auto archive tasks. Step 3. Use templates for speed. Project template, tasks, timeline, goals, meeting note. Meeting note template auto links to the related client. Content template, topic, title, script, publish date. Step 4. Use sync blocks. Global announcements across every page. Insert universal SOPs everywhere without duplicating. Okay. Step 5. Use database views properly. Calendar for content, board for sales pipeline, table for clients, timeline for long-term projects. Step 6. Use AI inside Notion. Summarize meetings, turn ideas into outlines, rewrite content, extract action items, generate SOP drafts. Lastly, weekly optimization. Clear done tasks, archive finished projects, reprioritize next week, update goals dashboard. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.